A sample of 0.5 gram of an organic compound. So organic compound is how much, student? 0.5 gram. Was treated according to Kjeldahl method. The ammonia evolved was absorbed 50 ml of H2SO4. Okay, the residual acid required 60 ml solution of NaOH for neutralization. Find the percentage of composition of nitrogen. So let us see percentage nitrogen is equal to what? 1.4 into NRVR divided by what, student? Mass of OC. This is what is the formula. How to calculate NRVR, student? Resulting normality and volume. No, VR. So it is given in the molarity. So you write, let us try to write in the term of molarity here. So how can you write, student? So that is N1 B1 M1 minus N2 V2 M2, because normality is equal to what? N into M. So I am using here this one. So let us try to write for the acid. This one H2SO4, 2 hydrogen are there, so 2, volume is 50 and molarity is 0.5, minus, you see, NaOH, how many OH it will give, student? 1, volume is 60 and molarity is 0.5. This is 0.5 of, student. Let us try to solve, student. How much it is coming, student? After the multiplying 50, it is coming, student, 30. So it is coming how much, student? 20. Now place the value, student. Place the value here. So 1.4 into 20 divided by mass of organic compound 0.5. You can remove the decimal, so it will come 14 into 20 upon 5. So 5 4s are 20, student. So 14 into 4. So it is coming 56 gram, student. So percentage, not gram, sorry, student. It is the percentage. How many percentage, student? 56 percentage. So percentage nitrogen is equal to 56. So this is our required answer, student. Very easy problem. Thank you so much for watching.